Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, comment and share this video. So we are here on another road trip going to Mission Hill Family Estate here at British Columbia. The Mission Hill Family Estate is a wine grower and producer based in West Kelowna, British Columbia, Canada, in the Okanagan Valley wine region. The winery is situated atop Mission Hill, overlooking a 145-kilometer lake, mountains, and vineyards. Mission Hill Family Estate was established in 1966. Anthony Von Mandel was a wine seller in Vancouver during the 1970s and assisted in preparing a feasibility study regarding growing grapes in the area for Joseph Mills and Mossel-based winery. Von Mandel decided that the area was worth investing in, and in 1981 purchased the abandoned Mission Hill Estate. Until 1996, Mission Hill had purchased grapes from the vineyards owned by others to produce wine, with no vineyard holdings of its own, and it started to purchase its own vineyards in 1996. Mission Hill Family Estate farms 32 family-owned estate vineyards in the Okanagan Valley. Most of the vineyards are planted in benches above the valley floor, on varying degrees of slope that assist the air drainage, improves frost protection, and increases the amount of sun in the vines receive. Designed with monastic influence, Mission Hill Family Estate offers an escape from daily life. Outdoors, earth-toned buildings circle a courtyard and amphitheater, curving into the loggia and garden halls, theaters, and tasting rooms wind through the estate while barrels of wine age underground. Guests enter the main winery grounds through a contemporary stone arches hand-chiseled by master stonemasons Tony Rojak and Andrew Swinley. These carved from one 5-ton block of Indiana limestone. The archway is held together by a single keystone bearing the Von Mandel family crest. A spacious courtyard located directly through the entrance archway surrounds the 12-story bell tower. In the courtyard, you will be standing atop a bushery ridge, looking down over the rolling terrain below. The view encompasses the Mission Hill Vineyard, dips through the valley, and winds down to Okanagan Lake. Hello guys! So we're here at Mission Hill.
Hello.
Nice. Hi Kendrick. Hi! Say hi to the book.
Hello.
So this is the Mission Hill. The bell tower stands 12 stories tall, topped with a pelican-inspired weather vane echoing the Von Mandel family crest. You can hear them ringing every half hour and 5 times on the hour. 4 bronze bells, each dedicated to a member of the Von Mandel family, reside within the tower. My goal was to provide a sense of place, somewhere you can step out of the everyday world and into a sanctuary that's all about the timelessness of wine. This is quoted by Anthony Von Mandel, the founder of the Mission Hill Family Estate. And this is the loggia. It is a Latin for outdoor room. It acts as a respite for visitors from the elements. By blending with the landscape, the loggia provides several angled views of the valley and lake below. A small piazzetta overlooks the loggia gardens, home to an ancient Hungarian oak tree. The terrace restaurant features regionally inspired dishes paired with the wine cultivated from the estate vineyards. Working closely with local and sustainable farmers, the culinary team sources food grown naturally near the vineyards. They say, if it grows together, it goes together. With open-air seating, rolling vineyards unfold before you, providing a serene view while you dine. On the terrace, immerse yourself in the Okanagan Valley with beautiful scenery, local food, and thoughtful wine. And this is the outdoor amphitheater. It is situated in a prominent hill rising above the Okanagan Valley. Mountain ranges and scenic lakes create an unrivaled backdrop. Seating roughly around 1,200 people, the outdoor concert experience is reminiscent of a grand performance staged at the Arena de Verona, one of Europe's historic open-air Roman amphitheaters. The Mission Hill Family Estate is now being recognized as Canada's only 5-time winner of Winery of the Year and receiving multiple Best Varietal Awards on the international stage. And they continue to draw inspiration from the valley and the vineyards that they tend to, and they say the journey is just the beginning. Experience the Okanagan Valley with a visit to Mission Hill Family Estate, and the winery is open daily by reservation, so what are you waiting for? Well guys, this is the end of our road trip. I hope you liked the video, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and please comment down below on what you think of the video, and I'll see you on our next video. Thank you so much for watching and much love to all of you guys.